Whether it is your first time living off campus, or if you've lived on your own before, we have lots of useful information and tips to prepare you for living in a rental. Many students face challenges in the rental market, especially when entering it with no rental history. This workshop will help. The Renter's Workshop makes your off-campus housing search easier. Here, you will learn your rights and responsibilities as a renter and receive a certificate of completion to show landlords you are a knowledgeable, prospective tenant. Landlords often accept this certificate as a reference along with your on-campus rental references, and many will only rent to undergrads who provide a Renter's Workshop certificate. A knowledgeable tenant makes a better tenant, and good landlords know this. During the workshop, you will learn about creating a budget, situations to avoid, and deciding where to look for housing. You will find out what the different types of rental agreements are, cover information to help with choosing housemates, or join an existing household. And to help you stand out to potential landlords, we'll show you how to prepare a rental application packet. The workshop teaches you about resources to help you search for rental listings, inquire about a rental, and information on meeting potential landlords and housemates. We want you to take away from this workshop an understanding and knowledge of your responsibilities as a tenant, and also what your legal rights are. You'll learn things to do when you first move in to protect your security deposit, and helpful information to know while living in your rental, and what your landlord is required to maintain. Hopefully, everyone will get along in your future household. But just in case, you will also find out about resources that can help you and your housemates deal with problems that may occur. When you have your own place, it can be great to invite friends over. However, there can be financial and legal ramifications to hosting a party. This workshop provides suggestions that can help. We also want you to be prepared and knowledgeable when the time comes for you to move out, including giving and receiving notice to vacate, information to help with your security deposit return, and legal resources that can assist you in case you need to resolve a dispute with your landlord. You will be asked questions at the end of each section. Once you complete the workshop, you will be taken to the resources page, which offers a comprehensive list of forms, links, and other information referenced in the Renter's Workshop. Take some time to become familiar with the materials that are introduced, which can also be accessed on the Community Rentals website. Good luck with your housing search, and if you would like additional information or help, you can email, call, or come by the Community Rentals office on campus.